This is question 15. So it says, what is the quotient if 4/15 of 40 is divided by 1/2 of 8/12? Reduce if possible. Okay, so you're going to think about this problem in parts. So remember, of is a multiply word in math. So we are going to be multiplying, and remember, we make a fraction out of a whole number by putting it over 1. So 4/15 of 40, that's this multiplication problem. And then that's going to be divided by, and let's just go ahead and put some parentheses around this. 1/2 of 8/12. Again, this is multiply. 1/2 of 8/12. Okay, so I'm going to put parentheses around that because we definitely want to be doing the multiplication first, and then we'll be dividing. So I'm going to factor out the 5s. So 15 divided by 5 gives me 3, and 40 divided by 5 gives me 8. So here, 4 times 8 is 32, and 3 times 1 is 3. Divided by, here I'm going to factor out the 2's. Nope, actually I'm going to factor out the 4's. Okay, so 8 divided by 4 leaves me with 2, and 12 divided by 4 leaves me with 3. 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, now we're dividing fractions. So remember, we're going to keep, change this to multiply, and get the reciprocal or flip the second fraction. I'm going to factor here also because I can see right here I could take the 3's out. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. Here, there's a couple of different things I could do. I could factor the 2's out from 32 and 2, but instead, I'm going to factor the 2's out here. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. And check it out. 32 times 1 is 32. 1 times 1 is 1. And of course, don't leave it like that. That's a whole number over 1. So you're going to simplify it, but by just making it back into a whole number.